gonna be a disaster. Hi, and welcome to my channel. You can call me Dragon. In this video today, I will be showing you how I like to do my eyebrows. Now, you don't have to follow along every single thing that I do to my eyebrows. This is just the way that I like to do them. And the way that I like to do my eyebrow is not the only way to do them, you know. You can just maybe get some tips from it. I hope that you can learn at least one new thing from this video today. And if you do, leave a comment down below and let me know what new thing you learned today from me. And also don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to the channel. And let's get to it. So the first brow that I'm going to be showing you today is the quick one. It's super quick and easy, perfect for when you're going to just go to Target or go to the store or grocery, something just like chut, so you can just go. What you're going to need is a brow mascara, and that's it. Yeah, just one item and that's all. So for brow mascara, I'm going to be using my favorite one, which is the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in the color Brunette. There's also clear brow mascaras that you can use if you prefer that instead, but I like to use the tinted one because I like to make my eyebrows a little lighter than they are. And that's it. Yeah, we're done. Seriously, literally 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. And look at the difference. Oh my god. She's cute. She's still cute. And the done brow and the other brow. There's not much of a difference that you can see in the video, except, you know, it's a lighter color, but it also makes the hair stay in place. It's very natural looking, but it still gives it a little that you need right there. I don't do it this way very often. I mainly just do it when I have to go, and I'm like gonna go out for breakfast or something like that, and I'm just like don't want to look like complete trash like I usually do. And you know, the mascara will keep your hairs all brushed in and in place, all neat like. So yeah. On to the next brow. So I got a clean brow again. Sort of. So this next brow is gonna take a little longer, and I'm gonna use some more products. I'm gonna be using the NYX brow mascara once again, so I'm just gonna keep that here. And I'm also gonna use another product from NYX. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso. It's one of my favorite brow pencils. I have a couple that I like. This one's my favorite, and it is very thin, as you can see right there on one end, and then on the other end we got a little spoolie, which I love the spoolie. I prefer thin pencils. It's easier for doing the ends of the eyebrows compared to the other one, which is like little fat in one end and then like thinner in the other end. It's like a triangle looking kind of thing, and I don't really like those that much. It can make the ends of your eyebrow a little thicker than you probably prefer, unless you use concealer to clean it up and sharpen it, which I prefer not to do with this method that I'm going to be using now. So then it is. I'll start by brushing the hairs. Now at the front, very light pressure and not too much product, so that you can still see my hairs and you can see it'll look more natural. I'm gonna go from bottom to up, go down at the bottom, and then swish and flick up. Swish and flick, whatever. Flick it. And now I go towards the middle. You can put a little bit more pressure here. It's gonna follow the natural shape of my eyebrow. When I get to the end part, I like to focus either on the top or the bottom, which I'll do the top first. Just gotta figure out where I want my brow to end. I'm only gonna extend my eyebrow a little. I don't want it to be too long. Just gonna work with the natural shape of my brows. Some brows are gonna be, you know, a little more straight, maybe even up. Most are gonna go a little down. And lastly, I always recommend that you brush it out with the spoolie. It's gonna soften up the product a little, look more natural. And like I said before, you can use some concealer to really sharpen it up, make it really clean, but I'm not gonna do that for this eyebrow because there's not much, you know, to clean. It's kind of pretty good. And I'm just gonna do the finishing touch. And there you go. Real eyebrow, fake eyebrow. So there you go. It's not much, you know, nothing crazy going on there. I did it in like what, 3 minutes? And they look nice, natural, you know, not too fake looking, which is what I was going for. And with that, on to the last eyebrow I'll be showing you to do today. Now this one will be a little bit more time consuming, and I'll be using a couple more products. So for this one I'll be using the Creme Shop Pomade in the color in dark brown, along with the Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer in the color light nude, which is 115, as well as an angled brow brush and a flat eyeshadow brush. I'll also be using brown mascara like before, but I'm going to switch it up and use the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in clear. I still have so much product in my eyebrow. These products are good, they don't come off. I'm just going to dip it in here. This one I will start in the middle instead of the front like I did with the other ones. I'm gonna start focusing on the bottom of the brow so I can set where I want my brow to be. I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker than my natural brow is. You can, you know, do different faces, move your eyebrows around so you can see more of your brows from different angles. Just put some product in the middle of the brow. Don't put too much in the front yet. For the top, I'll also be overlining to make it thicker. And give it a little arch so I can be like Another reason I don't like this way so much is because I gotta keep dipping in here, and it's time consuming, man. Really thick, guys. I'm gonna be extending my brow a little extra too, so let's leave that for last. I'm just gonna do the front now. Very light fingers, and like we did before, from bottom to up. Brush it up to soften. A little hard because this product is much trickier. It's much stronger. Gonna extend my eyebrow a lot. Make it super extra. Yeah. I want a really long brow today, guys. Oh my god. I'm not worrying too much about making it too thick, so I'm gonna be cleaning that up in a little bit. Oh my god, I haven't done my eyebrows like this in forever. Now I'm gonna take the flat brush with a little bit of concealer on it and clean up my eyebrows. Now some people like to do the bottom of the brow and also the top, and sometimes even here. I prefer just to do it in the bottom, just cause that is my preference. Try it out to see how you like yours. I'm gonna do a big focus on the tail, since that is the star in my opinion, so that it's really sharp. remember, of course, to blend in your concealer. And voila. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm such a dork. So yeah, you see this one and this one. Big difference on this one. Not like the other ones, you know, where it's just like wasn't much of a difference. This one took much longer, like I said. And I don't really like doing it this way anymore. I used to do it all the time before when I first got into makeup. That was the whole big thing about makeup when I got into it. The freaking giant eyebrow and stuff. A lot of people still do it, of course. And it's a great looking eyebrow. However you want to do your eyebrows is your preference. Nobody can tell you anything about it. I much prefer the second method I showed you. That is just like a quick little thing I can do. My eyebrow looks really good. I'm really happy with it. I only showed you how I did one eyebrow, but you're gonna see that when you do both eyebrows in this way, then you have some trouble getting both eyebrows to look symmetrical. My saying for the eyebrows has always been this: your eyebrows should be cousins, not sisters. Think of it that way. They don't have to be exactly 100% like each other, just, you know, what you're happy with. I'm just gonna go do the other one real quick. And there we go. Both eyebrows in there, and I completely forgot to put on the freaking brown mascara. Like I said, it's clear, so you know there's no color up in here. So it matches with any pomade that I got. Okay, now they're finished. So that is the finished look for today. I hope that you really enjoyed this video and that it was very informative for you. If it wasn't, then, you know, maybe the next one. Leave me a comment down below if you want me to cover something specific, or a certain makeup style, or a certain makeup look, or anything like that. And also you can find me in the social media platforms. And like I said earlier, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Have a fantastic day. Bye! I can never find my brushes.